Hello, I am Amartya Chakraborty from Jasudabanamal School and I had taken part in the STEM program. This program taught me about Python. Python is a very simple program and it can be understood by anyone. See, look, over here I have written print welcome to the bank of Oval. So the computer will command or tell me welcome to the bank of Oval. Python can be used to make games or applications. Python has different commands. So in this basics of Python, I had learnt about list, set, nested list, user input, then a memory game and many more. In these 10 days, it was very motivating and very exciting for me because in this lockdown time, you have nothing to do in the day. And they started with this course. And Python can be done online too. And I have made this simple game or game come website or a bank. So this bank will tell me that welcome to a bank of Oval, and my login details is this is the user input or this is the real list. The actual list which I have to give, and then there will be one user input and enter your username and then pin. So this is the type like when you have to log into Facebook or Gmail or even other site or might be bank sites also. So in bank there are large number of notes or large number of customers, so they have more data in that. A large data is there. So I have only 3 customers in my bank. It's actually an imaginary bank, or I'm just playing with it. It's just a normal website which I've made. So it's Tapas C 1968 Amartya, and then this is my other. I'm going to make a new and show it to new customer and show it to you. So let me give him a name, or I call him Ram. Okay, then a semicolon. Ram, for Ram I will give some like 9067. It's going to be a 4-digit pin, so it's okay. I can also give it as tell it as a password or a pin or anything as you want. And over here, if I give perfectly everything, then it will give me authenticated. Or if I don't give anything, don't give anything properly, it will show me invalid username or invalid password. And then I will give that enter your amount. If you're authenticated, then you will have to tell the enter the amount to add the amount to your bank. And then it will wait for the bank to receive the money, and then after you have finished the transaction, you will have a memory game. In this memory game, you will have score and you have to memorize 5 digits. Okay, so Python can be, which I told you, can be understood by anyone. So it's a very simple program which I have given. So I am looking forward for the advanced level for Python, which is going to start really soon. So let me check its output. Let me clear and then run it. So it's showing welcome to the bank of Oval. Enter your username. My username, I'm going to say my username is Amartya. I'm Amartya. So Amartya is my username, and then my username, then 1324 is my pin. So I'm going to write that. Enter your username. Username AMARTYA is my username. Enter your pin. My pin is 1324. Everything is perfect. It should give me authenticated, and it has given me. So next I'm going to write the amount which you would like to add to your bank account. So I will give 10,000. Okay, 10,000 rupees. Wait till the bank transfers the amount to your bank account. Okay, it is transferred now. So it's going to show me that the present amount in the account is 10,000 rupees. So now transfer some money to another bank. Name of the bank I will give SBI Syndicate. It is not actually going to transfer the money because it's an imaginary account or imaginary bank of Oval. And now I'm going to give the name of the bank and syndicate, SYNDICATE. CATE, Syndicate Bank. And then how much money do you want to transact? I will tell 1000 rupees. Okay. Thank you. Transaction successful. Thank you for using Bank of Over. Now we have to memorize the sequence. 6, 9, 3, 7, 2. This is a memorizing the sequence. This is a memory game. You will have to play, or you can play. So the number 1, 6, 9, 3, 7, 2. It's actually 7, 2, but I will purposely give something wrong, or 6, 2. It's going to show me 4 and 5. Yeah. So your memory is sharp. Your score is 4. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. And I expect India to recover from this coronavirus, and because it's really boring sitting at home and not going to school. And I'm missing my school very much. Thank you.